Stop wasting time downloading chunky software or fighting with complicated converters. What if you could transform any file in seconds right from your browsers? Whether you need to flip a PDF to Word, convert video for socials, or turn obscure formats into something useful, today's tool is about to save your day. With just one upload and one click, you are done. No signups, no learning curves, and it's completely free. You don't even need tech skills. Stick around because I will show you exactly how CloudConverters makes file conversion ridiculously simple and way faster than any alternative out there. Want to test it yourself? Check the description and pinned comment after the video for the direct link. By the way, I'm Saif, your host at Digi Whisper. If you love saving time with digital tools that work, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. So I'm demonstrating CloudConverter software. It's a completely online tool. You don't need to install anything. Another thing is it's a completely free tool, but it also has paid features. If you need a very large amount of file conversion limit, then you can also go to their paid subscription. Otherwise, if you are a very solo user or if you don't need a large amount of use case, then you just good to go with their free version. So how CloudConvert work? First, you need to upload your file. Any types of file, you can convert it. So they are just telling you that audio file, video file, documents file, ebooks, archives, images, spreadsheets, or presentation formats. Any types of these files, you can convert it to another format. So let's try it. One of my file, I want to convert it. It's an Word file. I want to convert it to a PDF file. So I uploaded my file here and it automatically detects the file format. And now I want to convert it to a PDF format. So this is the original file format, and this one, my expected file format, I want to convert it to this format. And just I need to click this button, convert button. And it converted my files here. Just I want to download this. And you can see this file is converted to a PDF file. And now let's try another file. This time, I want to convert an image file to a PDF file. So I want to upload an image. It's a PNG image. So this is my original file format, PNG format, and I want to make it like PDF. So there are other options available. Like you can add any types of archive, like zip file format. You could upload any types of audio file. You could upload CAD, document, different types of documents, ebook, font, image, other thing, and presentation format, spreadsheet format, vector format, video format. And the conversion type is also available, a large amount or different types. So I want to convert my PNG to a PDF format. And I uploaded my PNG file here and want to convert it. Just I need to click this button. So it has been converted to a PDF file format. You can see this is now a PDF format. So this way you can convert your any types of file to your expected file format, and this is completely free. Although they have a daily limit. If you are a very bulk user or a very rough user, then you can definitely try their paid subscription. So let's discuss their paid plan. They have this paid plan. You need to just you need to select your credit limit and buy according to your credit limits. That's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, you can subscribe my channel. I will share interesting daily shortcut softwares in this channel so that you can get idea, or I want to make your life more easier through the online tools or different types of productivity tools.